Hello, my dear brother and sisters of this planet. I am Sri Arjun. If the square root of 1% of total population of a nation or country practice the technology of transcendental consciousness, that is the technology of unified field. For example, if the total population of a country is 1 crore, then the square root of 1% of 1 crore is equal to around 315 people. If these 315 people of that particular country practice the technology of transcendental consciousness together at the same duration, at the same time, then there will be an overall impact in every sector of that particular country. Economic development will happen very effortlessly and spontaneously. Crime rate and abuse of drugs and consumptions of alcohol and other narcotics will be decreased. There will be reflection of positivity among the citizens of this country. There will be no unrest or political upheavals or any kind of insurgent activities in that country. Poverty graph will be flattened. GDP of that country will go up. Sensex and share market graph will go up. There will be balance in weather, increasing the productivity of all the major crops. Apart from that, the foreign relationship of this country will be sweet, and there will be domino effect of the transcendental consciousness. That means all the neighboring countries will be in good tune with that particular country. So I do appeal to all the governments of this planet, of this globe, to take the technology of transcendental consciousness, the technology of unified field very seriously for national and global peace, stability, fraternity. This is not an assessment or this is not an philosophical idea. This is the well established scientific fact already proven in scientific department. Unified field, the technology of unified field is the scientific method in modern physics. So please implement this technology as a official strategy of the government to bring peace, stability and peace and fraternity for the nation, for the individual and for the globe. Thank you.